Today's menu is Kimchi Jjigae, a Korean soul food. Kimchi Jjigae is a popular and beloved dish among both Koreans and foreigners. Depending on the ingredients, it can be made in many different variations, such as pork kimchi jjigae or tuna kimchi jjigae. Today, we'll be making pork kimchi jjigae, the most popular and consumed of them all. The most important ingredient in kimchi jjigae is, of course, kimchi. The degree of fermentation of the kimchi determines the overall flavor of the jjigae, so it's best to choose well-fermented kimchi. If you want to make kimchi jjigae with over-fermented kimchi, you can add a little sugar to reduce the sourness and stay flavor. If you want to make kimchi jjigae with under-fermented kimchi, add a small amount of vinegar to counteract the sourness. Add sugar or vinegar when mixing the kimchi or add it little by little during the simmering process to adjust the taste. Now, let's get started with the pork kimchi jjigae recipe. Prepare 300 grams of pork for the jjigae. Common choices include pork belly, pork shoulder, or pork shoulder picnic, but I use pork shoulder picnic. We'll marinate the pork. Marinating the pork removes any unpleasant odors, enhances the flavor, and allows the jjigae seasonings to penetrate the meat better. Add 1 tablespoon of red pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil to the pork. And let it sit for 30 minutes. While waiting for 30 minutes, let's prepare the ingredients. Chop the kimchi into bite-sized pieces. I used my mom's kimchi. Prepare and chop half an onion, half a block of tofu, 1 green onion, and 1 hot pepper for a spicy kick. In a pot of the heat, place the pork on the bottom and top with 400 grams of kimchi. Add 2 to 3 layers of kimchi broth, which is the most important part. Add 200 ml of water and bring to a boil. Once the water boils, add the onion and 100 ml of water. Adding the water little by little rather than all at once will create a richer flavor. If you feel like there is not enough water even after boiling at all, it is okay to add more little by little. When the water boils again, add the tofu. Taste the jjigae once it boils. Because the pork has been marinated and the kimchi broth has been added, the seasoning is already quite good. However, you can adjust the seasonings to your preference by adding a little soy sauce if it's too bland, or a little sugar if it's too salty. Once the seasoning is just right, add the green onions and peppers at the end. Please note that the longer you boil the jjigae, the tastier it becomes. Transfer to a serving bowl for easy eating. Delicious pork kimchi jjigae is completed. Enjoy!